The sunshine shining bright and bold, it warms the sand below. The waves are crashing soft and fun where little feet can go. The sea is sparkling cool and clear, it calls us to come near. With every splash a happy laugh, we play without a fear. The sand is soft, the castles grow with buckets big and small. We build and dig and play all day, our creation standing tall. The sunshine dances on the waves, the beach so full of cheer. With kites that fly and footprints left as we run far and near. The sea's a playground full of fun with waves that gently chase. We jump and shout our laughter loud as the water kisses our face. The day goes on, the sun sets low, but the fun's not yet through. For in our hearts the beach remains a world of dreams so true.